Today is Wednesday, August 31st. I am Kat Washburn, and here are your morning announcements. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Here is what you can expect for lunch this week. Celebrating birthdays today are Connor M. and Amelia S. I hope you both have a very happy birthday. Come join Student Council. Our next meeting is this Wednesday at 7 a.m. in Ms. Marshall's room. Homeroom teachers need 2 people to join Student Council. We plan dances, pep rallies, and a lot of other fun things throughout the year. If you are interested, please join our Google Classroom with the code JZNU5AJ and come to the next meeting. We are helping fundraise our Super Bowl fundraiser. Bring in cans, peanut butter, cereal, canned meats, and fruit and paper products to help fundraise. You will bring these items to your homeroom teacher each day this week and next week up to Thursday, September 8th. The 7th and 8th grade homerooms with the most donations will win a donut party. Remember, money is worth the most. Check the blue shelf in the foyer if you are having items dropped off, such as lunch, clothes, etc. You will receive an email on your AL student account when the item has been dropped off. Please come to the office to access the blue shelf. Thank you. Here are the sporting events for this week. Come support the Shoremen and Shore Gals. Don't forget, you must purchase tickets online. Love to bowl? Want to join the Learwood Bowling Club? Stop down in the main office to get the information about the season. September 19th is registration and the first day of practice. All 7th and 8th grade students. This Friday, the theme is Hawaiian. Hope to see you at the pier. Let's remember to always be respectful, be responsible, be ready, and as always, stay classy, Learwood.